Hello everyone, welcome back to ABL LMS. Hope all of you are doing great. So in the last session we have seen about Python functions, right? What is functions, how we can define a functions and how we can call a functions. In these sessions we are going to use Python functions for to make some projects with the help of Python turtle module, right? So first let's import the turtle module. All of you already know how to import the module. Uh, After this, what we need to do, let's make a circle spirograph that we have already did with the help of Python nested for loop, right? So first let's create a function. So as you know, you need to start with the keyword def, then the name of the functions. Let's suppose I'm giving the name spirograph. So this is the name of my function. And then you need to put parenthesis and then colon. Okay, so let's start the block of these functions, right? So first, I'll take a for loop for I in range. Let's suppose I want to make a circle graph of 20 circles. So here I have to take 20. And then inside this, I'll write the code to make a circle. So I'll write turtle dot circle. You already all of you know circle is a method which belongs to this module turtle, right? Inside this, you need to pass down the radius of the circle. So let's suppose here I am passing 50. Now, after this, as we know, like if I run this code, right? So after making first circle, I want to pass some turn and then move to the next circle, then next, right? So here you need to provide some turn, that is turtle dot right. It's up to you. You can take left as well, right? Now, as I told you in the previous sessions, right, the product of this range and this angle should be equal to 360 degree for a complete rotations, right? Because all of you know the circumference of a circle is 360 degree, right? So 20, then what will be value here? This will be 18 because when you multiply 20 into 18, you will get the output 360, right? Let's see if I run this one. You can see nothing happened, right? The spirograph has not come yet, right? So this is just the definitions, right? As we know in the previous sessions, I already explained you. First, you need to define a functions, and then you need to call the functions for the output, right? So here, let's see how we can call the function. So the name of the function is spirograph. So simply I write spirograph over here, right? Now let's see if I run this one. Now you can see a spirograph. You can see now it's working, right? Let's increase the speed so that I don't have to wait for a time, right? So I'll write turtle dot speed and then 0. All of you know at 0 you'll get a maximum speed. Now again if I run, now you can see a circular spiral is made. Now see, everything is same, but the thing is that what is the use of these functions? Now let's suppose again if I want to make one more spirograph, right? I'll call the same functions like here spirograph. If I run, it will make it will make two spirograph, but it will make at the same place. What I want to do, I want to make one spirograph and then I'll just need to change the position. So all of you know, if you want to just change the position of drawing, you can use the coordinate points of the 2D plane, right? For this, first you need to make turtle dot up so that your turtle will pan up, and then you need to write down turtle dot go to command. This command will help you to move your positions. And here you need to pass down the value of x and y. Let's suppose here I am passing 200 comma 200. I want to make another spirograph at this position, and then you need to write down turtle dot down. So let's see if I run this one. You can see first one paragraph is coming over here, right? And the next paragraph is here because I have passed the position 200 comma 200, right? In this way you can make unlimited number of spirograph by using a single function. That is the beauty of this function. Basically it helps to reuse the code again and again and again, right? So I hope all of you understand. Now let's do some more experiment in this circle spirography. Let's suppose what I want to do. See, in functions you can also pass some argument, right? What is argument? Argument is a parameter which you want to pass for static data. Like let's suppose you don't want to fix the radius of the circle. Every time you are calling the spiral these functions, you want to change the circle or you want to change the radius of the circle. In that case, you can pass one argument over here. Let's suppose I'm giving the name x. You can pass any name. Now, same name you have to pass over here because I want to pass this argument inside this circle as a radius. Now, let's see if I run this one, it will throw an error. You can see there is an error in the terminal, right? Why we are getting the error? Because now see, when you have defined this functions, you have passed one argument, right? So every time every time when you are calling this function, so you need to pass the value of this argument as well. So let's suppose here I want to make a spiral circle of radius 50, and here I want to make a circle of radius 30. Now let's see if I run this one. Now see, both are working. Now this is spirograph whose radius is 50, and this is the second spirograph whose radius is 30, right? In this way you can make unlimited number of spirograph with different radius, right? So this is the benefit of when you are passing the argument, right? Let's create one more. Let's suppose if I copy this one, if I make control V, and here also, now let's change the position. So I want to just make the left hand side. So as you know, the left hand side, the value of x will be negative. See, you can change the value, you can pass different values so that you can easily understand the positions, right? Okay. See, I have practiced a lot, so I know the positions, right? Where I'll get to, if I pass 200 comma 200, where I get the images, right? So you can just configure the positions and you can check the output. Now let's suppose I want to make this as a 20. If you see, if I run this one, so first one, second one, and this is the third one. Third spirograph, and now the circle, the radius of this spirograph circle is 20, right? So in this way you can design some graphics and animations for you, and you can create some things, right? So that's all with this class, right? In the next class we'll continue with the next topic. Thank you everyone. Have a great day. Bye.